Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, open a web browser and search for Steam, which is a game marketplace and launcher. After that, go to the top right and click Install Steam to download the launcher. Click Install Steam one more time and then download and launch it. Next, GTA 5 is a paid game, so click on the search bar, type GTA 5 and select the package you want. Add it to your cart, continue to payment, and complete your purchase. After buying, go to your library, select GTA 5 and click Install. Choose your installation location, accept the terms, and Steam will download and install the game. Once finished, you can launch GTA 5 from Steam or your desktop. So that's basically how you can download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.